This is a look at the Arrowhead Brass PK2004LK loose key stem assembly. This stem measures 8 inches overall and is for the 4-inch wall thickness 420 series frost-proof hydrant. It'll come in this package here, which has a small list of instructions at the bottom. And it comes with the check assembly here, the seals on the end of it, the washer on the packing gland, and the packing gland itself. Right here is where the key would go onto the stem. And this stem does not contain the key. The part number for the key is PK1300. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2004LK loose key stem assembly.